Mad? Are you happy? Are you mad? Mad. Happy? Mad. Happy? Mad. Happy?
Let me take your hands off of you, okay? Oh, can you wait? Whoa. I think you need some help, Dad. Whoops.
I'm ready for takeoff. Please take off my diaper. I need that fan too after what's happened. Wait.
Look at that hair. No control. No pizzazz.
There, we're all done.
Please.
My daddy's so good to me. He cuddles me. He feeds me. He changes me. I can't wait to be able to repay him. Here, Dad, with love from me to you. Take a powder. Woo!